Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever searched for ways to make passive income online, you've probably heard about printables. But what exactly are printables? Why is everyone talking about them? And most importantly, how can you make money selling them? In today's video, we're diving deep into what printables really are, why they're such a hot-selling digital product, and how you can start your own printable business from scratch. Make sure to stick around to the end, because I'll also share my top tips for choosing profitable printable ideas. So what exactly are printables? Printables are digital files that customers can download and print at home or at a print shop. These are usually in PDF or PNG format and are delivered instantly after purchase. Examples include planners, daily, weekly, fitness, meal planning, budget trackers, wall art calendars, to-do lists, wedding templates, invitations, seating charts, kids' activities, coloring pages, learning worksheets, business tools, invoice templates, social media planners. The best part? Once you create a printable, you can sell it over and over again without needing to restock, ship, or deal with inventory. It's 100% passive once it's uploaded and live. There are 5 big reasons why printables are so profitable. 1. No physical inventory needed. You don't have to store, package, or ship anything. All products are digital, which means zero cost of goods sold after creation. 2. Low startup costs. You can literally start with free tools like Canva or Google Docs and sell on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad with little to no upfront investment. 3. Huge demand. Across niches, people are always looking for tools to organize their lives, whether it's planning meals, managing finances, homeschooling their kids, or decorating their homes. Printables offer instant solutions. 4. Passive income potential. You make it once, list it, and it keeps selling. Whether you're asleep, at work, or on vacation, your store can be generating income 24/7. 5. Easy to scale. Once you find a product that sells, you can easily create bundles, variations, or related products. It's one of the fastest ways to grow a digital product catalog. You might be wondering, where can I actually sell these? Here are the most popular platforms. Etsy, the biggest marketplace for handmade and digital goods. Tons of buyers and fairly easy to set up. Gumroad, great for creators and selling direct to consumer. Simple and clean. Shopify, best if you want full control and branding. Ideal for long-term growth. Payhip, another great option for beginners with low fees and easy setup. You can also use your own website and email marketing to drive traffic to your printables store. Not sure what kind of printables to sell? Here are some best-selling categories. Lifestyle, planners, fitness trackers, habit trackers, finance, budget planners, debt payoff charts, kids and education, worksheets, reward charts, homeschool bundles, business, invoice templates, social media calendars, events, wedding invites, baby shower games, party decorations, home decor, minimalist wall art, affirmations, quotes, holidays, Christmas planners, Halloween activities, Valentine's cards. These niches not only sell, but many have seasonal peaks, which can skyrocket your sales. Here are some quick tips if you're ready to get started. Research what's trending. Look at Etsy's search bar suggestions or bestsellers. Offer value, make it useful, beautiful, and easy to print. Use Canva. You don't need to be a designer. Canva makes it super easy. Use keywords. On Etsy especially, keywords in your title, description, and tags will help people find your printables. Start small. You don't need 50 products. Start with 1-3 well-designed printables and go from there. So now you know exactly what printables are, why they're so profitable, and how you can get started. If you're serious about making passive income from home, this is one of the best digital product models out there. Want a step-by-step guide to launch your printable business? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more content like this. And let me know in the comments, what kind of printable are you thinking of selling? Thanks for watching.